Hi guys, and we're not having a game. Oh! Ouchie.
He don't come out
yet. Okay, so this is it. I turned it over. Okay, I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, so it says this, and it even includes bubble wrap. So let's open it. I'm covering up the address stuff. It says 1. Yeah. So now I'm gonna open it. So just
I want to see what it looks like.
now, how do I open this thing?
You want me to open it, or you want yourself to open it?
Matt, can I open it? Can I?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Bubble. Stop hitting it. Oh.
Is it
Got bubble. Bubble right here. Bubble. Bubble.
Who said this to you?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Can I see?
Oh my god, my love puppy. Oh.
Is your nose stuck?
Oh my god! Whoa, that's how it looks like. Whoa, man, whoa. Okay. Oh my god.
He's freaked out. They have the same heart.
Gophia? What?
That's her name.
No, it just says this and stuff.
What?
Oh
Where did you get a name from?
God. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's a love puppy. I'm gonna name it Julie, but it didn't come with the code, so.
Julie?
Yeah. And this is a package. It has bubble wrap stuff.
Yay, bubble
But
wrap.
anyways, yeah, that's it, guys. That was really quick, only 1 minute. But anyways, yeah, it's so cute. Yeah. It just, I don't know, it looks, I don't know. It just looks like his face is a little up kind of thing. 1 second, let me check what else, if there's anything else. Wow, there's only bubble wrap. I thought there'd probably been the paper that shows what it is and stuff. But no, it just only has this thing. See? So cute. Oh well, bye guys. Anyways, hope you like this. Comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, I was gonna say something else. Forgot. Anyways, bye guys.